artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is everywhere these days. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our kitchens. But did you know that AI is also changing the way we make movies? From writing scripts to creating stunning visuals, AI is quickly becoming the most talked about tool in Hollywood. For decades, science fiction has warned us about machines taking over the world. But what if they just want to help us make art? Don't worry, this isn't the plot of a scary movie. It's the exciting reality of AI's growing role in filmmaking. In this essay, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the world of movies. We'll delve into the exciting possibilities and consider the ethical questions that AI raises. Buckle up, film fans, because the future of cinema is here and it's powered by AI. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, it's like giving a computer a brain. We're talking about machines that can learn, solve problems, and even be creative, all without human intervention. AI is particularly useful in filmmaking, which involves a complex mix of creativity and technical skills. Need to write a script with a unique twist? AI can help. Want to create a realistic-looking alien creature? AI's got you covered.
Believe it or not, AI has been dabbling in the arts for a while now. In the 1980s, Harold Cohen's Aaron program was already creating impressive works of art. Fast forward to today, and AI can compose music, write poetry, and even design buildings. It was only a matter of time before AI set its sights on the silver screen.
Making a film is a bit like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle. You've got your script, your storyboard, your animation, and so much more. Each piece is crucial and must fit perfectly with the others to create a seamless final product. And guess what? AI can lend a hand, or should we say, a circuit board, at every stage. First up, script writing. Remember those times you stared at a blank page, praying for inspiration? AI can help. It can analyze countless scripts and stories to suggest plot twists, character arcs, and even dialogue. Programs like Writer can generate different storylines, dialogues, and even character descriptions. They can offer multiple options, allowing writers to choose the best fit for their vision. Sure, it might not be Shakespeare, but it can be a great starting point for human writers. It can break through writer's block and spark creativity, making the writing process smoother and faster.
Next, we have storyboarding. This is a critical step where filmmakers visually map out each shot of the film. It helps in planning the visual flow and ensuring that the story is told effectively. AI can analyze scripts and automatically generate storyboards, saving time and effort. This means directors can focus more on the creative aspects rather than the technical details. Imagine feeding a script into a computer and getting a full visual representation of the film in minutes. It's like having a digital assistant that understands your vision and brings it to life. That's the power of AI. It can transform a tedious process into an efficient and exciting one.
Finally, there's animation and rendering. These are some of the most time-consuming aspects of filmmaking. Creating lifelike animation is a painstaking process. It requires immense attention to detail and countless hours of work. But AI can learn from existing animation styles and generate new, unique animations with incredible detail. It can simulate realistic movements and expressions, making characters come to life in ways we never thought possible. This means we can have more realistic special effects, fantastical creatures, and breathtaking worlds, all thanks to AI. The possibilities are endless, and the future of filmmaking is brighter than ever with AI by our side.
You might be thinking, okay, AI sounds cool, but has it actually made any good movies? The idea of AI in filmmaking might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming a reality faster than you might expect. The answer is a resounding yes. AI has already proven its mettle in the world of cinema, especially in the realm of short films where creativity and innovation are paramount.
While AI might not be directing its own blockbusters just yet, it's already making waves in the world of short films. These shorter formats allow filmmakers to experiment with AI technologies in ways that are both groundbreaking and accessible. Take the short film Sunspring from 2016, for example. This film was a pioneer in showcasing what AI can do in the realm of screenwriting. The entire screenplay was written by an AI named Benjamin. This wasn't just a gimmick, it was a genuine attempt to explore the boundaries of AI creativity. The result is a bizarre, funny, and surprisingly thought-provoking film that showcases the creative potential of AI. It challenges our traditional notions of storytelling and opens up new possibilities for narrative structures.
Then there's The Crow from 2018, a short film that used AI to analyze hundreds of horror movies and create a truly terrifying viewing experience. This film took AI's capabilities to a new level by delving into the horror genre. From the eerie music to the jump scares, The Crow proves that AI can understand and replicate even the most complex human emotions. It demonstrates that AI can be a powerful tool in evoking fear and suspense, elements that are crucial in horror filmmaking.
These films are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking and innovative films created with the help of our digital friends. The future of filmmaking is not just about human creativity, but also about how we can harness the power of AI to push the boundaries of what is possible in cinema. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with filmmakers to create stories that are richer, more diverse, and more emotionally resonant than ever before. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun.
Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the ethical implications of AI in filmmaking. This is a topic that has sparked heated debates and intense discussions among industry professionals and ethicists alike. As with any new technology, AI in film raises some important questions. How will it change the way we create and consume media? What are the potential benefits and pitfalls? One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. The fear that AI could replace human jobs in the film industry is very real. From screenwriters to directors, many worry about their future in a world where machines can perform their tasks.
Will robots replace human writers, directors, and animators? It's a valid concern, but the reality is likely more nuanced. AI can assist in the creative process, offering new tools and perspectives that can enhance human creativity rather than replace it. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to enhance human creativity, not replace it. Think of it as a new kind of collaborator, one that can help bring fresh ideas and efficiencies to the filmmaking process.
Another issue is copyright. If an AI creates a film, who owns the rights? The programmer who created the AI? The user who inputted the data? Or the AI itself? These questions are not just theoretical. They have real-world implications for the industry. These are complex legal questions that will need to be addressed as AI becomes more prevalent in the film industry. Legal frameworks will need to evolve to keep pace with technological advancements.
But it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to democratize filmmaking. Imagine a world where anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can create their own movies. This could lead to a more diverse range of voices and stories being told. AI could give aspiring filmmakers the tools and resources they need to bring their stories to life. It could lower the barriers to entry, making it easier for new talent to break into the industry. The future of filmmaking could be more inclusive and innovative thanks to AI.
So, what does the future hold for AI and filmmaking? One thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. In the next 5 to 10 years, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI tools that can generate entire films from scratch. Imagine typing in a few keywords like romantic comedy, space adventure, or historical drama, and having an AI generate a complete film ready to watch. AI could also personalize the movie-watching experience. Imagine an AI that analyzes your viewing habits and creates a film tailored to your specific tastes. Want a romantic comedy set in Paris with a talking dog? AI can make it happen. The key takeaway is that AI is not here to replace human filmmakers. Instead, it's here to empower them. By embracing AI, filmmakers can push the boundaries of creativity and tell stories in ways we never thought possible. AI is revolutionizing the way we make and experience films. From automating tedious tasks to unlocking new creative possibilities, AI is changing the game. While there are valid ethical concerns, the potential benefits of AI in filmmaking are too great to ignore. By embracing this technology, we can usher in a new golden age of cinema, one where human imagination and artificial intelligence work together to create truly unforgettable experiences. So, the next time you sit down to watch a movie, keep an eye out for the subtle or not so subtle signs of AI at work. You might be surprised by what you discover. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even find yourself at the cinema, watching a film written, directed, and starring an AI. What do you think about that?